Check this out, party people. Whoa. Check this out, party people. You hear that? You hear crickets? Hear it? Like a cricket? But listen to the noise in the background. Hear that high-pitched noise? The fuck is that? I've never heard that noise before. You never heard me record it. This is 4:20 a.m. And I hear this. You hear that? I hear the cricket. And there's a high-pitched noise in the background. There's been some rain that went through. That's what kind of woke me up. I don't know what it was, but something woke me up. And when I looked, I saw a flash of light. But all I hear is this noise out here. Listen. There you go. There's no cricket now. You hear that? What the fuck is that? Some high-pitched freaking noise somewhere. Somehow. Ooh, there's a lightning bug. There's a lightning bug. Oh, there's some lightning. Lightning and a lightning bug. How's that, baby? Lightning and a lightning bugs. That's beautiful. Beautiful, baby. Oh, what the fuck was that? Look, it stopped. What the fuck was that, people? Was that a loud fucking cricket? What the fuck? Now it's gone. You left this on. What the fuck, dude? That's crazy ass shit. Now I got lightning bugs. There's lightning. Look at that. Lightning bugs and lightning.